Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're looking into this, which is how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. So here's a simple trick for that. So first, to be able to add PayPal to Google Wallet, you have to open the Google Wallet or go to the Google Wallet app on your phone or visit wallet.google.com, then sign in to your account using your Google account credentials to log in. Then next thing to do is to add to wallet. So tap add to wallet. So on the main screen, tap add to wallet or the plus icon, then choose the payment method and then select PayPal from the list of available options. So you will be directed to PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal email and password to connect both accounts. So you have to grant permission, review the access details and click agree and confirm and connect to allow Google Wallet to use your PayPal balance for payment. So once connected, your PayPal account will appear under your payment method in Google Wallet, and that's how you can easily add PayPal to Google Wallet. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.